friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet bedcover designs model. Crochet bedcover is a handmade decorative covering for bed, created using yarn and a crochet hook. It can be simple or very detailed, depending on the stitches and patterns you choose. Crochet bed covers are popular because they add a cozy, vintage, and personalized touch to any bedroom. What it includes: a crochet bed cover design usually refers to pattern style, granny skirts, stripes, motifs, lace, floral patterns, and geometric patterns. Stitch types: use double crochet, shell stitch, bob stitch, ripple stitch, or frill stitch. Color combination: use solid colors like ombre, multicolor, pastel, and earthy tones. Shapes and size: use single, double, queen, king size. Common types of crochet bed cover designs: granny scar bed cover, made from many small scars joined together, very colorful and classic. Ripple or wave pattern, soft zigzag designs that looks modern and neat. Lace bed cover, made using fine thread and delicate stitches, gives an elegant, airy, vintage look. Flower motif bed covers made by adjusting multiple floral motifs, perfect for a cottage or farmhouse style. Textured bed cover uses stitches like popcorn, bubble, or waffle to give a soft, cozy, raised texture. Why people love crochet bed covers? They're handmade and customizable, warm and comfortable, perfect for cozy, cottage, or farmhouse style decoration, long-lasting if made with good yarn. Here are more helpful and creative tips for making or choosing a beautiful crochet bed cover design. First, mix different motifs for a unique style. Instead of using only granny scars or only floral motifs, combine 3 to 4 floral scars to textured scars on lace style scar. This creates a beautiful artistic patchwork look. Use soft, lightweight yarn for bigger bed covers, while large beds use cotton yarn, soft acrylic, milk cotton blend. This makes the bed cover breathable, not too heavy, and comfortable in all seasons. Add a decorative border. A nice border makes your bed cover look finished. Try shell edging, peacock edging, scallop border, simple double crochet border. Borders add elegance and structure. Try ombre or gradient color effect using yarn that changes color slowly. Makes the bed cover look dreamy and modern without too much effort. Choose stitch patterns that match your room's style. Farmhouse or rustic, use neutral colors plus waffle stitch. For vintage cottage, use lace, pastel colors, and floral motifs. Modern style, use solid colors, clean stripes, ripple patterns. For boho style, use bold colors, granny skirts, lots of textures. Make the bed cover slightly larger than the mattress. Adding 2 or 3 extra inches on each side gives a nice drop, making the bed look neat and cozy. Make texture for tip. You can like creativity, combine waffle stitch sections, shell stitch sections, bubble or popcorn textures, flat double crochet areas. This creates a rich, luxurious design. Secure motifs tightly when joining scarves or motifs. A slip stitch join, invisible join, single crochet join. This helps the bed cover last longer and stay strong. Add a lining if you want extra warmth. A thin cotton lining underneath can make the bed cover softer, warmer, and more durable. Use repeating motifs for a clean look. Pick one motif like a star, flower, or diamond and repeat it across the entire bed cover. This creates a coordinated, polished designs. Two seasonal themes. Make the design reflect a season, spring. Use pastel colors plus lace stitches. For summer, use lightweight cotton plus open stitches. Autumn, warm orange, browns plus textured stitches. Winter, thin yarn plus waffle or cable stitches. This makes your bed cover feel more connected to the room's mood. Match your bed cover with pillow covers. Crochet small matching motifs and use them to create pillowcases. This makes the whole bed look styled and cohesive. Add soft fringes or tassels if you like a boho or farmhouse vibe. Add tassels or fringes to the edge. Just keep it light so it doesn't feel heavy. Try monochrome designs with texture. Use only one color but choose a stitch with texture like bubble stitch, diamond stitch, waffle stitch. This gives the bed cover a luxury hotel look. Use metallic yarn sprightly for shine. A little metallic thread, gold or silver added to the border or motifs gives a classy, festive touch, perfect for special rooms. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!